Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Aura Walden Digital Photo Frame, a standout in the world of digital displays. Whether you're considering it for your home or as a gift, this frame promises to elevate your digital photo experience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with design, the Aura Walden makes a bold statement. It's crafted with a refined aesthetic, featuring a sleek, thin bezel and a textured mat that complements any room decor. What's impressive is its versatility. You can mount it on a wall or place it on a tabletop. The frame feels sturdy but is on the heavier side, which is worth noting for wall mounting. Moving on to image quality, the Aura Walden shines with a 1600 by 1200 resolution display. The high pixel density ensures sharp and vibrant images, enhancing both color and black and white photos. The anti-glare, matte finish screen is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to view from various angles without distracting reflections. Let's talk about user interface. While it lacks a touchscreen, the Walden utilizes swipe bars for navigation, keeping the screen free of fingerprints. This approach might feel traditional to some, but it's effective for daily use. The accompanying Aura app enhances the experience, allowing seamless photo and video uploads from your smartphone or Google Photos, leveraging its Wi-Fi connectivity. The Walden doesn't just display photos. It integrates smart features like the highlights and colorizer. Highlights uses AI for facial recognition, suggesting photos of specific people to display, which is a neat way to personalize your photo frame experience. Colorizer, though not flawless, attempts to transform black and white photos into color, adding a unique touch. In terms of performance, the frame adjusts brightness based on ambient light, thanks to its ambient light sensor. This ensures optimal viewing conditions but might struggle in darker corners of a room if not positioned well. Keep in mind, it requires constant power as it doesn't have a built-in battery, which could affect placement options in your home. Wrapping up, the Aura Walden Digital Photo Frame impresses with its elegant design, superb image quality, and smart functionalities. Whether you're showcasing family memories or artful photography, it excels in turning digital moments into tangible, visual delights. The price point reflects its premium positioning, making it an investment for enthusiasts of digital display technology. That concludes our review of the Aura Walden Digital Photo Frame. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried digital photo frames before? And what's your favorite feature of the Aura Walden? Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.